What's up, YouTube? So I want to make some headphone stands for these headphones. And I kind of want to put them here so I could put them near my TV. So I'm going to do that. All right. All right, so here I have kind of a choice to make. And since I'm making 4 stands and I want to divide this by 4, I'm gonna do, probably try to use all of it and kind of cut these into fourths just so the base is heavy enough to hold the whole stand. And I'll probably make 4 individual stands. So I'll measure this and then set my fence to at least the 4th distance and adjust this guy back. Be about there, but I'll measure and make sure it's all exact. So stay tuned. So my idea for these, if I can get this thing to fit, is kind of have a stand on here that goes a little bit backwards. So cut an angle to that. And then I'll come up and cantilever over and support the headphones here. So that way the weight of the headphones is counterbalanced and it's not tipping forward or going backward, kind of keeping the balance point in the middle. So I'll use the miter saw with an angle, recreate it 4 times, make them all the same. So let's do that. So our basic design here, I'll just lay it out. A base, 15-degree angle cut, 15-degree angle cut on this guy. Up like that. You can see that. And then top piece also 15-degree on that side and just flat, straight cut there. So you end up with that. Nice little headphone stand. Very modern looking. And that's it, just glue it up. You're basically done. You could add a notch here wherever your headphones are gonna sit. Otherwise, you could leave it unnotched and just move them around wherever you want, but that's basically the balance point right over the center of that block. So, yeah. That. So if you can see the balance of these after you cut them with these 15-degree cuts, basically sits perfect. Like so, and then if you put the weight of the headphones here, that'll keep some pressure going forward, and it's a pretty good balance to everything. So I think that 15 degrees is a pretty good design for that. Now I just wait for these to dry up. We got our 7s. All right, so for this part, we're gonna oil our headphone stands. I have my helper, Wyatt, say hi.
No.
You wanted to be on YouTube, so say hi.
Hi.
For all the many fans. What do we tell people about the subscribe button?
Subscribe.
And the thumbs up button?
Yeah.
And the notification bell?
To never miss a video.
Oh yeah, okay. And what's our goal for subscribers? 3 billion or what?
10.
10 billion? Okay, we could do that.
No, 10!
Oh, just 10 subscribers?
Yeah, we're new.
So I'm gonna show the people at home our feed and wax wood polish. This stuff is really good.
They sponsored us this video.
Yeah, we're not sponsored, but this stuff is really, it smells like delicious oranges, which is nice. And also it is nice, but it puts a nice finish on wood, so we're gonna do that. It kind of brings out the natural color.